Hi everyone, today we have another package from our mailbox. Alright. Looks like we have another Game Boy DMG. Yeah. Game Boy DMG with a burned reflector layer. No need for knife anymore. Okay. A little bit of corrosion. This one need to be cleaned. I think it's an original Game Boy cartridge in a very bad condition. Let's put some batteries and see if it works. Alright, I will wiggle the batteries to see if we have any power. Okay, maybe the corrosion prevent the Game Boy from turning on, so I will use an external power source. Alright, I will use a power supply. Do we have any lines? No, we have no lines. No vertical, no horizontal lines. So it's working, but we have no audio. Yeah, quite audio. Alright, this was the first one. We have another one here. I think it's a fake cartridge, but we can check. For sure. Okay. Alright, it's the wrong size. This one's okay. So let's check. Yeah, for sure, a fake cartridge. Nice. Another Game Boy DMG, but we have As you see here, we have a cursor. Let's check if it works or not. Okay, it works without any lines, but we have a bleeding. And this one, parachute, game and watch. But as we see here, it's cracked, unfortunately. Let's check if it works or not. Right, we have this cover, 3D printed. Oh, another crack here. Yeah, looks like it's not working anymore. Yeah, it works. Okay. And we have this Casio. Caratified. Not sure if it works or not. Not turning on at all. All right. Negative, negative. This may be a positive. I will use my cleaning brush. And some IBA. Put this negative, negative, and positive. Does it work or not? No. Maybe this one. Okay. Okay, it's stuck. No problems. And the last one. PCB straight with a 16 gigabyte mem card, but this one is broken as I remember. Yeah, it's broken. This one is dead, so we need to unbreak this one. Okay. Yeah, it's bricked. That's it for this package. Thank you for watching and see you.